We're now going to consider the chemical properties of alkenes. On the board we'll have the list we are going to cover majorly. We're also going to look at other ones of interest as well, so apart from these 7 we have on the board. But it's important for us to know that the chemical properties of alkenes, which is specifically addition reaction, because that's what they undergo majorly, is that okay? Addition reaction specifically is due to the presence of the pi electrons in alkenes. That was already mentioned at the outset of this topic. The presence of pi electrons are responsible for the major chemical reactions that alkenes undergo, which is addition reaction. And of course, you know that addition reaction is the major chemical reaction of unsaturated compounds. Now, they usually react with species we call electron-seeking agents, which are electrophiles as well as free radicals. These species, electrophiles and free radicals, are also known as Lewis acid because they are electron acceptors. They would usually attack the double bond, pick electrons from there, and then break the pi bond there into single bond on the carbon atom. Then whatever you are now adding will take the position of the 2 single bonds formed from breaking the pi bond in the double bond. So the following chemical reactions are going to be considered. 1, catalytic hydrogenation, where of course we add hydrogen gas, is that okay, to the alkane. That's hydrogen molecule. We're going to consider halogenation, of course addition of the halogens. Chlorine and bromine specifically will be analyzed. We're going to consider addition of hydrogen halides, something like hydrogen bromide, and then hydrogen chloride. We're going to see how they add to alkenes. We're also going to consider addition of tetrasulfate 6. Addition of water will also be considered. When dealing with this addition of hydrogen halides, addition of tetrasulfate 6, and addition of water, we are going to state a rule known as the Markovnikov's rule. Just like we have Sitzeff rule that has to do with removing compounds of HX or compounds like HY from a given compound. Markovnikov rule deals with introducing compounds like HX and compounds like HY to a given unsaturated compound. We are going to treat ozonolysis, addition of ozone, is that okay, to alkanes. We'll also consider hydroxylation, which is the reaction of alkanes with potassium permanganate, that's potassium tetraozomanganate 7, or with peroxymethanoic acid. As would be the case, we are also going to consider its reaction with bromine and chlorine water in the formation of halohydrin. We also would consider demerization, that is addition of alkanes to alkanes. We'd consider alkylation, that is addition of an alkane to an alkene, and then we would also consider polymerization reaction of alkenes.